Wow, what a cake! Oh, this is for you girls. Whoever draws better will get it.
Cool!
It's time to start.
Super! We will need black dough for the contour. And now, strawberry and raspberry fillings.
Cool. Yeehaw!
No, chocolate is better. Time's up!
Already? Okay. Let's put the pancake on a plate, I guess.
Okay.
Okay, let's do this.
We got a cake.
Bravo, girls! You both win!
Cool! Hooray! Congratulations, Wednesday!
Wow,
Thank you!
looks great. Come here, Bat.
And I have a heart and a unicorn! Yum, yum, yum!
Awesome.
Cool!
Rock, paper, scissors!
I've won.
Wow!
Oh, man!
Oh! We need a flying Pikachu!
Yes, this is your new prize. You'll get it if you draw it well. Don't even think about it.
We'll see about that!
I have to win. What hand? Is Anna's better?
Oh, hey!
Well, I get it.
What?
But that won't do. Let's think of something. Oh no. Girls, finish. Oh no.
Look at my Pikachu! How do you like it?
Great, Annan. Wednesday, show me the drawing.
Uh-oh.
Are you sure that's what you want? You're welcome. Oh, what a nightmare. The winner is Enid.
Awesome!
Hooray! I've always dreamed of a Pikachu!
Of course it's yours, darling.
Cool!
Thank you! Let's fly, buddy!
Not here.
Oh, man!
Cool.
Get it!
It's her own fault. Girls, look what I have.
What a cutie!
Get started. Excellent.
It's turning out great! Awesome! And some green!
But I'm already done. Let's see what Enid has.
My chameleon will be the most beautiful!
So, Hand, let's do some pranks. Hey, Enid. Hi.
Hi!
Did you turn off the stove? Wow. Enid, look.
What?
Time is up. Yeah, time's up. Super. And here's my drawing. Oh, what are you going to show, Enid?
Now, let's… Oh, wait a minute! Why did my pancake bake? Oh,
Oh, no!
This is no good. Wednesday has won. Finally. You get this chameleon. Super. It fits perfectly into my image. Awesome.
Oh, really?
no! Hooray! A new round!
Draw a dress. Get started.
Come on!
Wow! What a miracle!
A terrible dress. I won't draw it. I'd rather read.
What?
Oh, come on, Wednesday. Well, I'll do it anyway.
What, Hand? Don't even try to persuade me. Hand. I don't care. Whatever.
Oh, pink dough is what I need for a chic outfit.
That's it. Show me, Enid.
With pleasure.
I don't like it.
How? But why?
Don't know. And what is this? Wow. And that's great. Wednesday has won. What? No, don't. It's yours. Catch it. What an abomination. I can't stand pink. What a fragrant pizza. This is your new assignment.
An amazing smell.
Get to work, girls.
Easy. I love pizza. Let's do this. I'll draw peas, tomatoes, olives, and dough. Yoo-hoo! My pizza is ready. Look at that. Wednesday, what are you doing?
I wanted to find out what she would draw and make it cooler. I'll draw the dough first. And then I'll outline it. Ta-da! Perfect.
Is that it?
Of course not. I'll draw all the ingredients separately. Some tomatoes. Some greens. Okay, guys, show me.
There.
Great! Here. An empty pizza? This is strange. Edit, you've won.
Wow!
Wait, you don't understand. Here's my pizza. Have you seen it?
Wow!
Awesome.
Okay, I'm changing my choice. Hooray! Congratulations, Wednesday.
I want it too.
Man.
I love pizza. You will be eaten. Great.
Cool.
I want it too. And I also have a slice of pizza. It's delicious.
Who's that? I'm running to open it. Hello. Here's the money. Here's your order. Oh, what a heavy box. What did she order? Well, let's see. Here's everything I need to make my dream bed. Wow, what a big piece of wood. Let's put it on the floor. What is she up to? Oh, she completely fell in the box. Great, my fence. What a huge one. Almost done. And of course, some tools. Oops, that was painful. So let's remove the box. It's in the way. What is she doing now? Builder Mary, get to work.
What?
So, we'll put it like this. And like this.
Nice.
Turns out well. It will be very beautiful soon. Yeah, I'm a born builder. A bunk bed? I've always dreamed of such a thing.
What?
Wow, her bed is much better than mine. An idea. Now I'll do even better. Bought it. Now wait for the delivery. Oh, here it is. Hey guys, this is for you. Thank you. Bring it in. Done, miss. Wow, what a beauty! Yeah. The bed is installed. A little more beauty.
Cool.
And let's add some lights. Cute pictures to make the house even more cozy. And now, let's turn it on. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Awesome. Oh my God.
Wow! Wipe your drool, neighbor. So, who has the coolest bed now? Oh, it hurts. And what is the neighbor doing there? No sneaking, please. What would I come up with? An idea. I'll take the props from everywhere. For example, these curtains are very good. And this tablecloth will also come in handy. Although, I don't have a lot of money, but I have a fantasy. Great. Looks no worse than Jennifer's.
Awesome!
Ow! Mary, why are you throwing tools around here? Where did you get these cool curtains from? Wow! Now the tablecloth will come into play. Wow, it made a great hammock. It's so comfortable. Hey neighbor, what's up? That's pretty boring. An idea. I'm going to order something cool. Mary will get jealous. Yeah, I'm already running. Good afternoon, miss. Your order. Let's install it faster. Here and here. Of course, miss. Everything is ready. Keep your tip.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye. I'm waiting for all of you at my party. Hello, girls. Check out my cool house. Wow, it's awesome, Jennifer. It's super cozy here. We're having a private party. Don't let anyone in. So, it's time to start having fun. Oh, I think I've got an awesome idea. Let's get to work. So, a tablecloth. Now, dishes. And my good, loyal friends. What is my neighbor up to? Let's make the music louder. Oh! What is it? How's that for you, Mary? Well, that's it, neighbor. Time for some serious measures. Security, I want to complain about loud noises in my room. Oh, that's for me. Good afternoon. What is the problem? Come with me. I'll show you everything. Here they are, violators of order.
Okay.
We'll figure it out now, miss. What's going on? Hey, who are you? There are complaints about you, miss. I think I know how to solve this problem. Hold it. Oh, I guess I'm ready to close my eyes. Goodbye, miss. Hey, what is this? Another idea. What do I have? A cool glowing globe. And now we're going to make something interesting. I'm sure Jennifer will definitely bite her elbows. Perfect. We take and glue the pieces of discs on the globe. Wow, that's a great disco ball. Now the party atmosphere is always with me. Yes. And for the remaining discs part, we will make a decoration for the wall. Great, my room is shining. Now it's time to turn on the music. And I'll have some fun. It'll be pretty loud. What's going on? Wow. Let's go visit Mary.
Hello. We've come to see what you've got here.
It's pretty cool. What else would you come up with? An idea. I have a cool box. How awesome these light bulbs are. And now I'm going to need a cord. Perfect. The awesome lights are ready. Just have to put it around. What has she come up with again? So cozy. How cool it is. I love my house. That's it. A worker, hurry up. Come on.
Okay.
We need everything to shine here. No worse than my neighbors. Yes, exactly what I need. Perfect. It works.
Oh, thank you.
This is for you. Thank you very much. How cool! Better than your, right? Oh, what's going on? Oh no! This is fire! We have a fire extinguisher! We're going to put everything out here. Don't worry, Jennifer. Everything is under control. Phew, done. But my house… it's ruined. Sorry, Jennifer, but you can always stay in my house.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to your place. It's cool here too, right? Yes, very nice. There, meet my stuffed friends.
And I have a whole pyramid. And that's it. How lucky I am. Tina has only one. And look, that's hilarious. Yeah, come on. Only one thing. And I did not catch it. Yeah, that's terrible. Come on. You have to eat it anyway. Okay. It's kind of delicious. Look at my bubble.
Really?
That's funny. What have you done, Tina? Come on, I'll chop it up. Your eyebrow. I know what to do. I think so. I'm gonna put it back. Okay. My brow's back. Thank you. Don't do that again. What do you care?
Okay.
Come on, easy try now. Okay. Gum is so delicious, and I'm gonna make a real bubble, not like Tina's. Oh, look at that, Tina. She has a bubble. We're gonna pop it. Pop it. Yeah, that's a good idea. And pop. What have you done? Now I have a beard made of gum. What? What are you laughing at? It's fine. Now I'm gonna make a bowl and stretch it. And eat it again. Ew, that's disgusting. Your turn, Oscar. Come on. Okay. I'm next. I broke my tower and hurt my hand. Well, what I gotta do? Girls, no. No. It's all mine. Gum is pretty good. Let's blow a bubble. Huh, cool. Look, I have a balloon now. Perfect. So cool. Hey, don't touch it. You're gonna pop it. I'm gonna put it on my chair. Don't you dare touch it. Ooh, more balloons. Yeah, we're really bored. So many balloons made of gum. So cool. I love it. What? Am I flying away? Girls, help me. No. Ooh, look at those marmalade eyes. I love it. I have a whole planet of them. You have only one. Look, Tina. How unlucky Julie is. Well, I love marmalades, but enough is enough. One is good, too. Such delicious strawberry feeling inside. It's gorgeous. So good. Come on, Oscar, your turn. Hooray, I'm so hungry. Hey, actually, it's my turn now. Oh, that's right. I have an average portion, which means I'll be done in a couple of seconds. What could I've come up with? How do you like my manicure? Isn't it cool? And also, it's very tasty. Wow. Tina's lucky. Yeah, I just love marmalade. What's wrong with my throat? Oh no, I can't breathe. Tina, are you okay? Whoa! Thank you, Oscar. Don't even dream about it. Now it's my turn to get all these marmalades into my mouth. Cool. These marmalade eyes are so delicious. I just can't stop. Whoa. Stop it. No. I want to. There's enough only for me. You've already eaten yours, Julie, and you too, Tina. These are all mine. I'm almost done. Only 2 different fates left. Come on, give us one by one. No. And no. That was delicious. Oh no. Do I have ice popping out of my hair? Ooh, French fries. How is it I have only one fry? Yeah, even average size is not enough. Whoa, I got lucky. Look at that, a whole tower. Julie, what a bummer. You have only one fry. Yeah, funny. Oh, what a smell. Poor fella. Eat already. I'll eat it whenever I want. I want to prolong the pleasure. Oh, wait, no. It's so delicious, I can't wait. What? Come on, you eat yours now. Whatever you say. I'm going to eat French fries with sauce. It's delicious, isn't it, Julie? Now I have 2 of them. Bingo! I know what to do. I'm gonna teach him a lesson. I'll add some hot sauce and use ketchup. No one will notice. I know it'll be so hilarious. So delicious. Oh no, that's a hard one. I'm on fire! Wait a second, I know what to do. Here's water, I'm gonna save you. It's gone, thanks, Tina.
Thank you very much.
Please stop splashing, Oscar, stop it! I'm sorry, come on. I have a great idea for my French fries. I'll take ketchup and pour it on top like a fountain.
Whoa.
Just like that. Oh, the ketchup is cool and it's mega delicious, I bet. Oh, the ketchup is all over. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. What do you think? It's all mine. So delicious. Bingo! I know what to do. She's greedy, but I bet she doesn't know if it's the one. So delicious. I have potato stuck in my throat. Oh no! I'm gonna help you. Come on, get it out! That's not a problem. Here you go.
Oh, man.
Oh, come on. Come on, Oscar. Was that a fry? Was that my fry? Huh. Well, your own body taught you a lesson. I've got only one donut. Let's try it. What? Yeah, I have 4. And I have a whole mountain of them. That's unfair. How lucky. We want some more too. No. It's all mine. Come on, eat your one donut. Okay. Bingo! I know what to do. I'm gonna eat it slowly to prolong the pleasure. With a knife and a fork. Just like that. Well, not so long. Yeah, like you're from high society or something. Well, I'm done. It's your turn, Oscar. Ooh, hooray! I have 10 donuts and I'm gonna eat them all at once. Can't wait. Ew, so greedy or something. It's so delicious, girls. I love it. So good and sweet. Ooh, leftovers. Delicious. Are you an animal or something? Ew. I think I'm done. And everything's clean, and now I want some more. No, these are all mine. Stop it. Okay, I have a whole mountain, and I'm going to eat it all. We want some too. Oh, wait. I've got an idea. I'm gonna put them on top of each other, and I'm gonna eat them as a burger. What? How are you gonna fit that in your mouth? Guys, how do you like it? Oh no!
No!
Oh no! Uh-oh. Yeah, looks like your greediness didn't come in handy. Sorry, guys. It was so much fun, though.